Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́ níbi gbogbo tẹ́ ẹ bá wà nítorí mo mọ̀ pé àsìkò wa yàtọ̀ síra wa. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà ní UK, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà ní Amẹ́ríkà, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà ní Naija, ní gbogbo tẹ́ wà ní China, gbogbo ibikíbi tẹ́ bá wà, mò ń kí yín nílé lóko lódò. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá, Ọlọ́run á dúró ti gbogbo wa o. Á ràn wá lọ́wọ́ o. Gbogbo wa pátá tá a jáde kúrò nílé, tá a wà lájò, Ọlọ́run á jẹ́ ká kó èrè oko délé, a ò ní ṣe lásán. Ọlọ́run á dúró tì wá. Jésù á wà pẹ̀lú gbogbo wa. Ànábì à ní ṣe lásán lórúkọ Jésù. Ní ọlá ànábì á kéré oko délé. I've got something that is bothering my mind. There was a voice note that someone sent to me, and I listened to the voice notes. I can't hold it within my mind. I just believe I need to share it with you, my people, so that the burden in my mouth, my mind can a bit relieved. So for me to mitigate the burden in my mind, I want to play this voice note for you guys to listen to it. Má fẹ́ kẹ́ ní sùúrù kẹ́ fìdílé àjà yín kí a jọ gbọ́. I wouldn't take much of your time, right? Mo kàn fẹ́ ká jọ gbọ́ kínní ká tó jọ ṣe àṣírò lórí ẹ̀ ni. Nítorí pé àwa ọmọ Yorùbá à ń fọwọ́ lẹ́rán jù. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ní igi ṣọṣọrọ má gúnni lójú ni, òkèrè báyìí la ti ń wò. A ní láti dá ọgbọ́n sí ká tó dé díẹ̀ o, kó má lọ gún wa lójú o. This voice note tí mo gbọ́ yìí, mo fẹ́ kí gbogbo àjọbọ̀ kájọ digest ẹ̀. Ẹ ṣé, ẹ jẹ́ ká ní sùúrù, ẹ jẹ́ fún mi ní couple of minutes láti play ẹ̀ fún yín.
Ilé agbára Odùduwà, ilé agbára Odùduwà, ilé agbára Odùduwà. Orúkọ tèmi ni Comrade Ọláwálé Yọ̀mí láti Kwara State, Ìlọrin precisely. Ṣé ẹ rí àwọn kinní tí wọ́n ń kó wọlé ojoojúmọ́ lóru mọ́jú ni wọ́n fi ń kó wọn wọlé. Ojoojúmọ́ lóru mọ́jú ni wọ́n fi ń kó wọn wọlé. Níjọ́ Wednesday, àwọn tí mo bá pàdé ní olóoru, ibi tí èmi àti ẹni tí a jọ travel tá a dé tá a ti ń mutí náà ti dé bá wa. Nígbà tí J5 báyìí tí márùn park wọ́n ṣe to bẹ́ǹṣì sínú ẹ̀ náà ni wọ́n ṣe tó. Tírọ́ọ̀kì Dangote méjì òun náà park kò kẹ́rù èrò ló kó.
What he actually meant by àwọn kinní tí wọ́n ń kó wọlé, what he actually meant by that is the Fulanis, not the instrument gun or something like that, but it's referring to the Fulanis. That is what he meant by àwọn kinní tí wọ́n ń kó wọlé, pé ojoojúmọ́ ni wọ́n ń kó wọn wọlé. It's referring to the Fulanis.
Nígbà tí mo wá ń bi ìkan nínú àwọn ọmọlá yẹn tí mo ń fa Hausa bá sọ̀rọ̀ ń pé iná zàkú dàkà iná kúkọ̀ tó wọn. Ìkan ń sọ fún mi pé òun ò gbédè tí mo ń sọ, òun ò gbọ́ Hausa tí mo ń sọ yẹn, ó ní French lòun ń gbọ́. Ìkan wá nínú wọn tó ń try àti bá sisi kan sọ̀rọ̀ ń pé kí sisi yẹn yáwọn ní kẹ́tù ẹ̀ òun fẹ́ lọ lò, sisi yẹn yarí ó ń sọ Hausa. Mo wá ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ yẹn pé ibo níbi tá ń lọ gangan, ó ní Lagos làwọn ń lọ, ń pé mission àwọn Lagos ni. Wọ́n á ní ó dáa nígbà tẹ́ ń lọ Lagos kí ni mission yín? Ó láwọn ń lọ Jàzámù jẹ́ fàdà. Mo ní fàdà dé wà ó ní the mutane Lagos masu zaman Lagos àwọn ará Èkó àti olùgbé Èkó ìyẹn ní èdè Hausa wọ́n ní ibo lẹ ti ń bọ̀ gan daga ina kuka tó ó ní daga Agadesh ó ní daga wani kauye a Agadesh aka ɗauko mu wípé ìtumọ̀ ẹ̀ ni pé láti oko kan ní Agadesh náà ti gbé àwọn wá Agadesh yẹn close to Sahara ni Sahara gan la máa kà á kún.
If you can understand, what these people are trying to do, we all knew it before. They are bringing those people from other country, Mali and all the stuffs, to come into our country, and they're paying them to come and do the malicious, evil, and villainous things for us in Nigeria. They've got nothing, no plans for us. What they have is evil plan for us in Nigeria. Right. Most especially we that we live in southwest, and southeast. They've got nothing for us. What is in their mind against us is a malicious plan, evil plan, and villainous plan. Those Fulani that we are even talking about, right? The obsolete Nigerian Fulanis, they are good, right? But those ones that they are bringing into the country, those ones are the one clarifying. They are the one proving that they are the best Fulani. They are the authentic Fulani, the purified Fulani, that they are coming into our country to come and get rid of each and every one of us. They are not really Fulani, right? They are not really Fulani. This man, the Boko Haram. Oh, let me just continue before I.
Close to Libya. Tabakoja Kano kankan sókè díẹ̀ la máa kan Agadesh. Mo ní kí wọ́n ní mission wọn kí wọ́n fẹ́ fi jà báyìí ó ní nǹkan táwọn fẹ́ fi jà. Nko ti wà ní Èkó. Mo ní ina makamin ko ó ní makamin mu suna Lagos an riga an kai mana. Pé makamin àwọn ti wà ní Èkó wọ́n ti gbé lọ fáwọn already. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run ẹ jẹ́ ká múra o. Torí mo gbédè wọn dáadáa mo gbé láàrin wọn dáadáa ilẹ̀ Hausa mo dàgbà sí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká múra kíní yóò ń ṣeré. Kì í ṣeré o. Most of our Tonkoa, they are not northerners. They are from Sahara.
That's what I'm saying. This black-hated, egregious, and flagitious Fulanis. Flagitious Fulanis. I'm telling you. These people, trust me, all this thing that they are doing, it wasn't their real plan. Trust me. They can't do it without the backup of that deaf, dumb Boko Haram called himself President of Nigeria. The useless leader of the criminals, the gangsters, the hooligans, marauders, outlaws, pirates, raiders, and robbers that they are calling bandits. If they don't have his backup, they can't do anything for us in our country. How many of them Are they now trying to say that if there's a war in between us and Kutoni is going to overcome us? They are going to win us? How many of them come into our country and they are destabilizing everything we've got? Body, human being, our company, everything, they are destabilizing it, destroying it. Let us finish listening to this.
Sahara Desert láti òkè Kano náà ti lọ ń kó wọn wá nínú Sahara náà ti lọ ń kó wọn níṣẹ́ ń bẹ̀ lẹ́yìn kan jí kan máa ta wọ́ọ̀tì kan cross àwọn èèyàn tó bá ń lọ Libya kan kidnap èèyàn kan máa fi roko kan máa bá wọn ti machine tó ń roko kan máa fi roko kan máa so wọn nígbèkùn kan máa chain wọn mọ́lẹ̀ sínú ilé nǹkan kan bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ wo gbogbo lé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí kì í ṣe eré kì í ṣe kékeré rárá kì í ṣe wọn mú léré ojoojúmọ́ lóru òru lójoojúmọ́ náà fi ń wọlé ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa àní gbèrè tìjú àní lùgbàdì wọn o ìgbà orúmọlẹ̀ adáàbòbò wọn máa ṣọ́ wa àní jẹ́ran wọn ògùn afẹ́jẹ́ wọn wẹ̀ nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí ó kù sọ́wọ́ àwọn àgbàgbà ọlọ́run adáàbòbò wa bọ̀ èmi rí wọn lóòótọ́ ni wọ́n ń wọlé wọ́n dẹ̀ ṣe ń wọlé everyday ni wọ́n ń wọlé ògùn á máa dọ́wọ́ fún wa gbàgbọ́ kó ní gbọ́dọ̀ lọ ẹ jẹ́ ká wá láti ṣe o ẹ jẹ́ ká wá láti ṣe o nǹkan ń ṣẹlẹ̀ o ó dẹ̀ ṣe ń ṣẹlẹ̀ adẹ̀ ń sùn ọlọ́run ọ̀dẹ̀ ní jẹ́ ká sùn àsùnpìyè ìdọ̀bálẹ̀ ni mo wà ọ́ ànígbèrè tìjú wọ́n ń wọlé lóòótọ́ o.
So is this how we're going to fold our arms? And we will be watching, we will be looking these people. We can't fold our arms like this. They haven't got any good plans for us. Most especially we, South, Southwest, and Southeast. They haven't got any good plans for us. Imagine, they are sending them to Lagos. They don't have any destination. Their destination is straight to Lagos. The man asked them, what are you going to use when you get to Lagos? He said, those things, the equipment to be used, that they're going to use, it has been sent ahead of them to Lagos. Can you imagine that? And we are relaxing. We are welcoming them. We are keeping quiet. The stupid idiots group of set of people that they call themselves the politicians, all what they were after is just what they will hit. They are selfish end that is meant for them to satisfy that. The amount that is meant for them to satisfy their selfish end. They are not after the well-being of the country, of the Yoruba nation at all. And I believe when this happened, from Bola Tinubu downward, they are going to clear them. They will die. That sudden death is going to kill them. I believe it. I believe that. Why don't we settle for this? We should support what the majority wants, not what the minority wants. This, for goodness sake, these people are just minority. They are just infinitesimal, very small, the minute people. People are clamoring for self-determination, sovereignty, this self-realization, dissociation. You are telling us that we shouldn't do that. Some are even saying that because we have reverted together, we've mingled together, we've married each other so that we cannot separate and go on each path. For what reason? It has happened in so many other countries like that. That when they can no more live together, they have to parted each other's way. So why is it that our own is going to be different? And those people who marry each other, that they did intermarry, it's like They are not much. They are very minute. If you know that you want to follow your wife or your husband to anywhere that you feel like that is settled for you, you can follow him. If it is Yoruba nation, you come in. If it is Hausa land, you can go there. Simple as ABC. I can dey fall down so I can't dákẹ́ ká máa wòran ká máa sọ anything now. Now this one is just it's a news, but we have to remember one thing and understand one thing. For every rumor, there are some element of truth. So for this that is saying, we have to be we have to take it. Because even though if you didn't say it, we've heard about it before, we've saw it before, it has happened in Ondo State, where lots of trailers were filled up with these useless, wicked, unscrupulous Fulanis. When they asked them questions, they said they have no place, they don't have any destination. And this is something of that nature that just happened now. So in every rumor, there's some element of truth. Ká má sùn àsùnpìyè o. Ká má sùn àsùnpìyè. Ká má bàa ká ọwọ́ lérí. Wọ́n ní ká gba àwẹ̀ nígbà tó níyì o. Ká gbàwẹ̀ ká má bàa gba àwẹ̀. Things to be done about this. Because that very useless man there, I'm telling you, adití, afọ́jú, because ó ti fọ́ lójú hàn lójú tèmi ni, afọ́jú adití, odi. He doesn't know what to do. Fine, he's demented. Àwọn olórí burúkú tó dẹ̀ yí ká náà ńkọ́, tí kú máa pa, tá pa family wọn. Those people, because they are so callous, they don't care about human beings' life. Imagine how these people are killing us. Even though it's happening in the northern area, it's happening as well there. Nothing is done there. Àwọn people ló jẹ́ kí epe o máa wù kí máa ṣẹ́, but àwọn eléyìí kò sí bó ṣe lè address wọn usually tó ní ṣe pé, because ẹ̀mí ọmọ ènìyàn la, we are talking about human being life. They don't bloody care. All they care is about their pockets. Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè á ràn wá lọ́wọ́ o, á dúró tì wá o, á gbàdúrà gbogbo wa o. Ẹlẹ́dàá wa kò ní jẹ́ ká ṣe lásán o, ẹ má jẹ́ ká sùn àsùnpìyè. Gbogbo ọgbọ́n tá bá lè dá o, Ọlọ́run á fún wa dá o, á gbèjà wa jà o. We will never surrender for these people. No retreat, no surrender. We will continue until the sovereignty occurred in that country. Each tribe will definitely go on its way. We have to part our own way, honestly speaking. Àwọn ilé òun ṣe ẹni tá a lè bá ṣe. Àwọn ṣe ẹni tá a lè bá ṣe. Ọlọ́run á dúró tì wá, á wà pẹ̀lú gbogbo wa o, àṣírí wa ò ní tú o. Yorùbá, ẹ jẹ́ ká ronú o, ẹ jẹ́ ká ronú o. Ẹ jọ̀wọ́, ẹ share ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Ẹ like, ẹ share fún àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ kí wọ́n gbọ́, kí gbogbo aká má bàa sùn àsùnpìyè ni. Ọlọ́run á dúró tì yín o. Ọlọ́run á ṣe púpọ̀ nínú iṣẹ́ wa. Iṣẹ́ tọ́run ti parí lọ́lọ́run á máa yàn fún wa ṣe. Á gbèjà wa jà, a ò ní ṣe lásán. Share, like, Yorùbá ronú. Ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ ronú o. Ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ ronú o. Ẹ má jà sùn àsùnpìyè o. Ẹ má jà sùn àsùnpìyè o. Àwọn tí ò gbọ́n, ẹ má jẹ́ kán wá mú wa ní àwọn òmùgọ̀, ẹ má jẹ́ kó òmùgọ̀ mú àwọn kó mú ọlọ́gbọ́n o, ẹ jọ̀wọ́ o. Ọgbọ́n mélòó ló wà lórí Haúsá? Màálù náà ń dà náà, ló wà lórí Haúsá àti Fúlàní. Màálù ni wọ́n ń dà. Ọpọlọ wọn náà díẹ̀ ló fi yàtọ̀ sí ti màálù náà. Nítorí kí ni wọn ò lè kàwé? That was the reason why àjọpọ̀ màálù náà fi ń dà. Wọn ò lè kò sí. Èyí tí that idiot ń sọ tó ní pé kán lọ máa fi owó Nàìjíríà sweat tax wa kán máa lọ fi rán wọn sí ọpọlọ wọn ò gbéwèé ni náà. Bọ́rọ̀ wọn lọ́nà kò sí nǹkan tó máa bá bọ̀ ń bẹ̀ náà. So ẹ má jẹ́ kọ́ lọ́gbọ́n kí ọlọ́gbọ́n kú sẹ́ǹkùlé òmùgọ̀ o. Ẹ jọ̀wọ́ o. Ọlọ́run á ràn ògbà lọ́wọ́, Ọlọ́run á dúró tì wá o. I don't have much to say. That is all I have for you today. God Almighty will be with you. Have a wonderful and nice day. Please share and like. Thank you so much. God bless you. My name is HRH Prince A. Haji John. Have a wonderful day. God bless you. Bye.